Tim Ryles says he's worried the committee's bookkeeping methods may lead to more serious problems.
If you don't think of all of those things in advance, so you have your books pretty much set up and you decide in advance which categories legitimate expenditures are going into and so on, it may be very, very difficult when you start making your reports to persuade an auditor or the state that money was spent for one thing when in fact it was used for something else.
Where could that lead?
It could very well lead into far more serious difficulties than the committee has had with the registration itself.
This morning, some members of the committee met at Willie Mae Mathis's house to discuss the committee's financial tangle. They would not tell us what was decided, though one representative said the forms would be filed today. They were not. This afternoon, attorneys from two law firms met here regarding committee activities. Neither would appear on camera. Both say their relationship with the committee is still in the discussion stage. But late this afternoon, we have learned the lawyers did meet privately with members of the committee. Sources say their discussion was mainly about filing forms and the committee's financial situation in general. Several weeks ago, the committee turned over its books to a local accounting firm. We have learned the accountant handling those books was also present at the law firm today. Lawyers emphasize the committee members are acting in good faith and are not trying in any way to evade the law because of their tragic situation. And Ryles told me there is no such thing as special standing.
We can't allow people to claim that they're politically well connected and therefore the law not apply, and we have seen that happen since we've been here. And by the same token, we can't permit people to claim that because of their poverty or their suffering, the law ought not be applied. Once you allow poverty, political connections, or wealth to determine whether or not the law is going to be applied, you're undermining the very legitimacy of law and government itself.